Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about the three-dimensional geometry, uh, in particular about the plane and the straight line in three dimension. Let us start. The title of the topic: three-dimensional geometry, planes and straight lines. First of all, to define coordinate system of the three-dimensional geometry. In previously we have no learn about the two-dimensional coordinate system, Cartesian coordinate system, and now we have to learn about three-dimensional coordinate system. And here three perpendicular axes will be there, and they meet at O, and O is said to be the origin of the system. And any point in this system is defined as at a point P, whose coordinates are x, y, z, and small x, y, z are the distance from origin, are the distance of the point along x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. This is the formula for calculating the distance between 2 points in three-dimensional coordinate system. You see this, and this is the figure. P and Q 2 points are given, and distance between these 2 points. This is the diagonal of the rectangular parallelepiped. This is two example here given, corresponding example, and here any point on the line joining 2 points, that is when 2 points are joined, and in between any point which divides the line in the ratio m:2n, then the point can be obtained through this formula for internal point, for external point. Direction cosines means a straight line makes angle with the rectangular axis is called direction cosine. And see this picture: if beta be the direction cosine of the point of the line OP, then OP makes angle beta, and cos beta we can take through the formula y1 by root over x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. That is the distance OT is divided by the distance OP, as OT is the base and OP is the hypotenuse of the triangle OTP. In such a way, we also can define the direction cosine along x-axis and direction cosine along z-axis, and all the direction cosines, if we square and add, we get the value on, see this formula. The direction cosine of two straight line, lines joining 2 points can be obtained from this formula. And if you discard the denominator, then these will be the direction ratios of that lines. Note 1, say if sum of square of three quantities is equal to 1, then they are direction cosines of some straight line or any straight line, otherwise not. This is an example we have solved here, corresponding to the direction cosine and direction ratio. Now angle between two straight lines, how to be calculate? It is calculated through this formula: cos theta equal to L1 L2 M1 M2 N1 N2, where L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2 are two direction cosines of the straight lines OA and OB, and the relation with the sin theta will be as follows. And similarly we can find by Lagrange identity this, and following this we can find also the value of tan theta, dividing these two equation. If direction ratios are given, then to find the angle between two straight lines will be as follows, equation 1.4. Now from this formula, that is 1.4, and also from 1.2, we can see that if two straight lines are perpendicular, then this condition 1.5 holds, and if parallel, then from the equation of sin theta we can find that L1 by L2 M1 by N2 N1 by N2, or ratio of direction cosines ratios are same. This is also some problem on direction cosines and direction ratios. If direction cosines are related with two equations like this, one linear equation and another one is quadratic equation, then from this equation we can find two set of direction cosines or direction ratios, that will be the direction cosines or direction ratios of two straight lines. You see, this is a solution of this problem, and we get two set of direction ratios. And direction ratios are 1 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 1, and if we find the value of element, then 1 by root 6 1 by root 6 minus 2 by root 6 will be the direction cosines. You see this is also stated here. This is another example relating to this, the plane. This is the general equation of degree 1 in 3 variable. This represents a plane, and the position of planes and its direction cosine of its normal are depend on a, b, c and d, and for different values of a, b, c, d, you see this different planes will be represented by the equation. Different form of the plane. In the previous class we were seen that different form of a straight line in two-dimensional geometry, and here we see the different form of plane in three-dimensional geometry. This is the intercept form as like as the intercept form of two-dimensional straight line. This is an example of to find a plane, that is find equation of plane which passes through the point this on the coordinate axis. When these 3 points are on the coordinate axis, then equation of plane will be obtained like using this, or any point passing through a point. This is we shall obtain as intercept form. This equation can be represent in intercept form, and a point of intersection on the straight line by the plane will be obtained like this. This is normal form. Normal form, you know about the straight line in two-dimensional. Here normal form of the plane, here cos alpha cos beta are the direction cosines of the normal upon the plane, and alpha beta gamma makes angles alpha with x axis, y axis, z axis respectively. This is called the normal form of the plane. And another article, you see that equation of plane through a given point. If a point is given x1 y1 z1, then we can find equation of any plane passing through x1 y1 z1 through this equation 2.4. You see this figure. P is the point on the plane, and OP is the perpendicular to this plane ABC. You must remember this form of the plane for further solving for further problem. Equation of plane parallel to a given plane can be obtained by taking different constant like on the straight line. So if you want to understand the plane in 3 dimension, you must have the idea about the straight line in 2 dimension. This is the an article that equation of plane through 3 given point. If 3 given points are given, then we can find the equation of plane using this 4 equation, and eliminating ABCD we get this determinant. This determinant will represent the equation of plane passing through 3 points. And next, finally, let us study the angle between two plane. As angle between two plane measures by the angle between the normal of the plane, between normal upon two planes, and DRS of the normals are given by A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2. So angle between two planes will be obtained through this formula, and you see this picture, that is this is the angle between two planes. If theta is there here, and theta also equal to the normal angle between the normal upon the plane. Distance of a point from a plane. This is a distance of a point of a plane from origin. This formula. This if we write a plane in normal form, then this p will be the distance of a plane from a point. Two intersecting planes. A plane passing through two intersecting planes will be this, adding linearly with a constant lambda, and with some conditions we have to find the value of lambda to obtain exactly the plane will be. Let us study the straight line. You see from this picture that if two plane meets, then this will be the line, that is line of two planes intersects in a line. So to get a line, we have to write equation of two planes side by side. This will represent a straight line in 3 dimension. Different form of the line in 3 dimension are there. So this is called symmetric form of the line. Here element are the direction cosine of the line, direction ratio or direction cosine of the line, and passing through x1, y1, z1. This is the symmetric form of the line. You see here also that any axis are the line, and this axis represented by two plane x, that is y axis by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and z axis by x equal to 0, y equal to 0. And so here the x axis equal to y equal to 0, z equal to 0. This is the plane form, and this is symmetric form. This is symmetric form of x axis, y axis, z axis. Equation of a straight line through two given points you can find through this formula, where x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 are 2 points on the straight lines A and P. The equation of AP will be equation 3.3. Next, equation of non-symmetric form, that is two planes are written in side by side. Intersection of a straight line and a plane. You see, now this is the plane and this is a straight line. If any point on the straight line is this, where r is any arbitrary constant, and if you satisfy this point with the straight line 3.7, then we get the value of r. For these values of r, the straight line intersect the plane. Equation of plane through the through a given straight line. This is the equation of a straight line. This is the equation of a straight line, and element be the direction cosine of the line, and any plane passing through this line can be written as this these two conditions. As there are three constants, so we have to find another condition to obtain these three constants. Coplanarity of two straight lines. Two straight lines when coplanar, then their perpendicular distance will vanish. So this is are two straight lines, and this is the equation of plane. Eliminating ABC from these three equation, we obtain actually the equation of the plane where two straight line lies. And if another point lies on that plane, then this equal to 0. This is the condition for coplanarity of two straight lines. Distance of a point from a straight line can be found through this formula. Shortest distance between two squiggly lines, these two straight lines, here 3 and 4, passing through x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, their direction cosines are given, and this is the line of shortest distance we can take and see the figure. This is the line of shortest distance PQ 2 points, where passing through two straight lines CD and AB, and the shortest distance between these two straight lines are STB, which will be obtained through this formula, ST equal to this, and the line of intersection will be given by the equation 9 and 10. And two straight line coplanar if this equal to 0. Skew lines, equation of two skew lines can be taken like this in this form. A straight line intersecting two straight lines, then this condition hold, three straight line. Okay, and three straight line in a line, then these conditions will be hold, and these are all about the straight lines. And in particular, this condition of intersection of three planes, you can see here that if three planes intersect, then eliminating this x, y, z, we get for the solution of x, y, z, we get this 4 determinants, and solution of x, y, z exists if delta 4 not equal to 0. All these delta 1, delta 3, delta 4 not equal to 0, or otherwise delta 4 equal to 0. This three planes intersect in a line if this delta 4 equal to 0 and other any one of these three equal to 0. There are 3 cases, 5 cases here given. Read all these 5 cases and get an idea about this article. Okay, thank you. So for solving a solution of problems on the plane and straight line of 3D, you visit our study material given in e-learning module section, and try to solve it. Okay, thank you. We ending our lecture today.